can't stop the blood clot, girl, food. And I can't blood clot bring me down. The picture of the blue people, I open my foot, so them take it and them Photoshop it. And them put out pussy. Or they go pussy up and down the blood clot, mama and the poop and go dig up on the blood clot.
Lady of Dancehall, Dangel, is upset that people are taking pictures from her OnlyFans. And to make matters worse, they are photoshopping and putting out when I go so. Stick around for the full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so when you see how Dangel upset, so Dangel put out a video and Dangel, of course, and I go on, but and I say, oh, people are subscribed to our OnlyFans, and I take off the picture them and the video them, and I put them out on the internet, and then there's one specific picture, I guess somebody Photoshop it and make she look like she naked, and she has she not naked. So, you know what I mean, Mama go on terrible, she a cuss. I never see Dangel go on like this, to be honest. Not even one time she a argue with other people. You see me, I say other artists, now I call her name Spice, but you know what I mean, I never see she get to the level here, you see me? This past cut and clear people. So I'm going to show you the video, I'm going to show you the level of aggression, and then we're going to reason about it. So let's get on to the video. Dangel, I give it to them straight and plain. Here goes.
So when I try to tell me from what day, you know, I mean, I say nothing, you know, I go and watch how I do, I take picture, I go up on my blood clot, go sign up on my OnlyFans page. I'm like a body wash boy, or some look a body wash girl. Go and sign up on my OnlyFans. I put out picture, but me not have a problem because my body look good, I'm clean. And a boy and a secret for blood clot me now, not dirty girl. So I soon I put out, but now I Photoshop some picture now. And I put out now about vagina. I think some I expose my blood clot vagina to the world, or I sell my vagina. Or the boy and a girl can message me in my DM and come talk about. Pan my OnlyFans talk about them want see my pussy. You must be blood clot, mother. You have a fortune if this a blood clot gold mine. Yeah. The pussy, yeah, the priceless pussy, yeah, on a stick on the head and a lick up in the blood clot head. But if I wow the wall make it blood clot start, and that me I tell you, I can't stop the blood clot, girl, food. And I can't blood clot bring me down. The picture of the blue people, I open my foot, so them take it and them Photoshop it, and them put out pussy. Or they go pussy up and down the blood clot, mama and the poop and go dig up on the blood clot.
So yeah, people, they eat is on. You see me, I say, and Dangel say if I war them want, make it start. Me don't know who exactly she attack. You see me? But if you don't ever see them picture, yeah, which me figure you might more than likely see them because them they all over the internet, you see me, then can go up on YouTube, or at least me won't put them on YouTube, you see me? But they are elsewhere, you know, all I platform them on Instagram, you can see them, and I guess Facebook most likely to go on WhatsApp or whatever, and she's aware of it. Now, me never did hear she said nothing before, you know, but it looked like somebody really crossed the line with her, and she get upset. So people want to think about this. So they think that people, you know what I mean, even though OnlyFans is what it is, they still, you know what I mean, for no say, yo, do not do certain things. If you don't understand what I say, like Dangel upset say somebody I try to say she fully naked, right? But I guess on her OnlyFans, she's not completely naked, and she's upset about it because she say she have on the blue clothes. I see that picture there too. Unfortunately, I say I can't show it to you, but I saw it, and she had on like lingerie. You know, she have on top and she have on one blue bottom, and but it's very skimpy. You see me? So that's the reason why then could I even Photoshop it and replace it with whatever. I mean, not see the replacement picture still. You see me? But she's very upset, and she has said, whosoever want a war, if you come start the war. You see me? I mean, I say I never see Dangel like this before. So Mama really upset. She really upset this time. And whosoever it is that she had just crossed the line. Now, want to tell me how you feel about this. You see me? I say get in the comment section and tell me. But people, Angel have more to say. No, that's not it. She have more to say. I go show now the rest of what Angel have to say. But first, before that, I want to show you the artist real quick. I want to show you what the artist are going with. People, you know when time you hear one tune and you just know say that tune I go far and know says that it's song. There's a couple tune I can't remember what give me that effect there. You see me I say the most recent one being Coffee Lockdown. When me hear it first, I say, yeah man, that tune have a vibes. You see me? No more I'm telling you about that tune here when named EZPZ by the artist Tallis. See, now Tallis is an artist out of New York. And people, him tune a shell on your place. Me I go show you a video. Me I go show you how him deal with a stage show. See, this was Ding Dong birthday bash. And when they say shellings, these are shellings. No for them young artists you can't perform. You see me I say, I'm show you how people deal with stage. No for them young artists I need to watch that video too. So Tallist, deal with this and make them see what I go on.
Anybody from Bronx in the building? Anybody from Bronx in the building? Anybody from Bronx in the building? Me can bring up a Bronx artist, please. Now you to represent Uptown Bronx, White Plains Road, yo Tallis, fully wild.
Me I say fully wild, you know the style, you know. Syndicate and don't forget, I'm a Zora, big up on yourself, Ding Dong, big up yourself on the track. Me I say, 228 in the building now. And I say, my name EZPZ, I run with it, road, you hear that one I name. Yo, black out, you know, we're outside that when I hide. All of the real girl is stepping at the building, pick up yourself, you know, 228 over there for Bronx. Me say whenever you was coach, if you get the girl coaching. Never use a man if you get no punani. Never use designer if you get no vagina. Me never pull up that pop up, like this. Fully while we're outside here, running. Hold on. Bobby Canders and Jabba, track star. Tell them we are run with it, yeah? Hold on. I'm a talk to you now. Because some boys say them are galleys. But I close them use. You see, I'm a father, I'm a Zora. I left straight from a black like this. Because when I'm frightened to people, level me dark. I say, we never use Gucci to get the girl coaching. Never use a man if they get no punani. Never use designer if they get no vagina. We never use Louis V. Over here, so we get girl easy, easy peasy. Black out, believe me, Lord, got bumper ass, God. One fresh in the US, no stress. Swash 228.
Let me give him a jumper. Somebody say pull up.
Yo, Marcus, big up yourself. Paul Platinum, I know you're there. Lava likewise. Broadway, Bronx Fraternity. What? Cinemax. Big up my friend there. 225th, Scotch it up. Set you them there, Atlanta, I'll fuck it up tomorrow night. I'm going to fuck it up right now. We say whenever you use Gucci if you get the girl coaching. Never use a man if you get no punani. Never use designer if you get no vagina. Whenever you use Louis V. Jimbo Fresh, we get girl easy, easy peasy. Marcus, believe me, Lord, that be cheesy. Killing me easy, the girl can't please me. In the back of the car, I wish it. But me say fully wild when we are take man girl. In the Nike, me step on girl, bumper rocks.
Come on for me stage! Come on for me stage! In the Tallis, he represent Bronx. We get girl easy, easy peasy. Tallis, if time ain't not gonna be that bring you back out, me G, but time around. Time around.
So people, the song named EZPZ and it's on all streaming platform and it's produced by Blackout, right? And the song I mash up the whole place. You see me? I see a video with that song here, you know, one while back, you know. You know, see you soon hear that song here everywhere. Anyway, people, the radio disc jack them talk about the song and I talk about the performance tonight. So make we hear what a few of them say and then we get right back to the Dangel story.
This artist is from the Bronx right now, you know what I mean? Tallis! It's called EZPZ, yo.
All right. I'm gonna take it to the Bronx for a second.
Big song in the streets of New York right now. Tallis, DNB,
Easy
EZPZ.
Let's go, Massive B. Tallis, go.
I'm not lying. Blackout, big up yourself, you know. Power Platinum Kids, big up on yourself. Yeah, that song, you mash up the whole of New York. Big up Tallis, the artist. I share along your whole of Amazon with that song, and that song named EZPZ. Listen, peace, listen.
So what me I go do, people, me I go post the full video them on my Instagram so they can hear him interview. I'm going to put the link them in the comment section, yeah. You see me? So they can hear him interview and you can hear what this chat them say about the performance and everything. So big up yourself, Tallis. But yes, people, let's get back to what Dangel said. So Dangel actually did a second video and she addressed the Photoshop and she has a fear thing no look so. So let's play the video and hear what she have to say.
And I think about it again a while ago. Like, seriously. I don't really think that my pussy looks so. If I don't really want to put out the pussy, you could have asked for feet, you know. Because you can't pay your feet. You can ask for feet and I think about it and say, I wonder if you don't want to put up the pussy, but you Photoshop and put out that and say my pussy. Because the hand them are short and nook so. So I have handicap and look at my finger then tall. And I kind of my body the half. The next half a body and of my body. That's all I have to say. Everything else are mine, but that part there is not mine, okay?
So it look like she calmed down from the first video, right? But just love the way she said still. I know say enough people are going for them picture here now, you know. So Dangel, you only make it more. You only make it worse, mama, because people are going to look feet. You see me? But I mean, sorry say that happened to you still, but I mean, I don't know. Would you get in the comment section and tell me, like, wanna say if she go OnlyFans, that go happen, or what? Or is it that maybe the angel just hot and sexy, make everybody just want fear picture them from our OnlyFans? Because there's other artists with OnlyFans, I wanna see them picture float around. So when you tell me how you feel. But people, that's the end of the video. You see me, I say if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. If you've been a long time subscriber, thank you for watching.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.